Starting a business can be an exciting and fulfilling venture, and choosing the right structure is crucial to its success. One popular option is to establish a limited liability company, LLC, due to its flexibility, protection of personal assets, and simplified tax reporting. If you're considering starting an LLC in Oklahoma, this comprehensive guide will provide you with a step-by-step process and outline the numerous benefits that come with forming an LLC in the state. Let's understand the benefits of an LLC in Oklahoma. 1. Limited liability protection. One of the most significant advantages of forming an LLC is the protection it offers to the personal assets of the business owners. In the event of legal disputes or debt, the owner's personal assets are typically shielded from liability. 2. Flexibility. LLCs offer greater flexibility compared to other business entities, such as corporations. They allow for a simpler management structure, fewer formalities, and more freedom in decision-making processes. 3. Pass-through taxation. An LLC is a pass-through entity, meaning that the business itself does not pay federal income taxes. Instead, profits and losses are reported on the owner's personal tax returns, avoiding double taxation. 4. Credibility and professionalism. Establishing an LLC can enhance your business's credibility and professionalism, which can attract potential customers, partners, and investors. If you're considering starting an LLC in Oklahoma, there are several steps you'll need to follow. In this video, we'll walk you through the process, from choosing a name to filing your paperwork with the state. Step 1. Choose a name for your LLC. Select a unique name that complies with Oklahoma's naming requirements. It must include the words Limited Liability Company, LLC, or an abbreviation of either. You can conduct a name search through the Oklahoma Secretary of State's website to ensure your desired name is available. Step 2. Appoint a registered agent. Designate a registered agent who will receive legal documents, tax notices, and other important correspondence on behalf of the LLC. The registered agent must have a physical address in Oklahoma. You can act as your own registered agent or hire a professional registered agent service. Step 3. File Articles of Organization. Prepare the Articles of Organization, which is the formal document required to register your LLC with the state. The Articles of Organization require the following information: LLC name and address, registered agent's name and address, names and addresses of the LLC's members or managers, duration of the LLC, if not perpetual. File the Articles of Organization with the Oklahoma Secretary of State. This can be done online or by mail, along with the required filing fee. Step 4. Create an operating agreement. Although not mandatory in Oklahoma, an operating agreement is highly recommended as it establishes the internal operating procedures and ownership structure of the LLC. Outline the roles, responsibilities, and rights of the members, as well as procedures for decision-making, profit distribution, and membership changes. Step 5. Obtain required permits and licenses. Determine if your LLC requires any specific licenses or permits to operate legally in Oklahoma. The requirements vary depending on the nature of your business activities. You need to check the Oklahoma Department of Commerce, local city/county offices, and relevant industry regulatory agencies to identify the necessary permits and licenses. Step 6. Obtain an Employer Identification Number, EIN. Apply for an EIN from the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, if your LLC has more than one member, hire employees, or elects to be taxed as a corporation. The EIN can be obtained online through the IRS website, free of charge. Step 7. Register for state taxes. Register your LLC with the Oklahoma Tax Commission, OTC, to fulfill your state tax obligations. Depending on the nature of your business, you may need to obtain permits or licenses related to sales tax, use tax, or other specific taxes. Consult the OTC website or contact their office for detailed information. Step 8. Comply with ongoing requirements. File an annual certificate with the Oklahoma Secretary of State each year to maintain your LLC's active status. This must be done by the anniversary date of your LLC's formation. You need to pay the annual filing fee along with the annual certificate. Also, fulfill any other ongoing requirements specific to your industry or business activities. There are a few additional considerations and resources that you need to know. Consider obtaining appropriate business insurance to protect your LLC from unforeseen events, liability claims, property damage, or loss. While it is possible to establish an LLC on your own, consulting with an attorney or utilizing professional services can ensure compliance with all legal requirements and provide guidance tailored to your specific needs. The Oklahoma Secretary of State's website, sos.ok.gov, provides detailed information, forms, and resources for starting and maintaining an LLC in the state. The Oklahoma Small Business Development Center, okasbdc.org, offers free counseling, workshops, and resources for entrepreneurs. In conclusion, starting an LLC in Oklahoma offers numerous benefits, including limited liability protection, flexibility, simplified tax reporting, and enhanced credibility. By following the step-by-step process outlined in this comprehensive guide, you can successfully establish your LLC in Oklahoma and lay a solid foundation for your business. Remember to comply with all legal requirements, seek professional guidance if needed, and regularly fulfill ongoing obligations to maintain your LLC's good standing. Good luck with your entrepreneurial journey. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, you can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC. Northwest Registered Agent is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 1 minute through Northwest Registered Agent. The full review of Northwest Registered Agent is also given in the description down below. Starting an LLC? Let us show you how to do it in a right way. First thing first, the whole point of an LLC is to separate you and your business. That's what protects your finances and privacy. Start by appointing a registered agent. Your LLC official point of contact. Hiring a registered agent is a smart and affordable method to maximize privacy. Next, see if your name is available by checking your state business database. Now you are ready to file state paperwork. The average fee is around $100. Apply for a free EIN from IRS website. Having your tax ID in hand you'll make the rest steps easy. Put your LLC policy in writing with an operating agreement. Make it easy with free template like ours. Remember when we said LLC separates you and your business, that's why your LLC needs its own bank account. Your bank account does not do any good in empty, time for each member to contribute. Be prepared for annual files and fees like state reports and taxes. Check the link in the description below. Start your LLC with Northwest Registered Agent.